Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through a 2024 Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. So the Super Sport is a fun little boat that comes in a 13 and the 16 foot range. As you can see, we have the beautiful light blue on the side with the silver Boston Whaler on the back. So good looking boat. We did order it with the bimini, so that can be, obviously it's open right now, you can close it. Pretty easy to take it off the boat too, so if you didn't need it that day, it can stay back. I will start up here at the bow. So it's got a nice big bow, like all Boston Whalers, very easy to clean them. You could add a pad up on the front here. This one does not have that option included. But there's a place for your anchor or just some storage underneath there. And then as we come to the midship of the boat, we have a nice cooler in the middle that is removable as well. And then we have the captain's area and the passenger side. Doesn't have seats in it, but we can add, there's 3 different types of seats that you can add to this boat. And we can do that aftermarket to get that with seats if you'd like. When we come to the back, we got a nice boarding ladder right here. So if you do want to go outside the boat, swim, you can get back on pretty easily. And then it is set with a Mercury 4-stroke 90 horsepower. And also the trailer is included on this 16-foot Boston Whaler Super Sport. This boat is here at our Rogers location, so if you'd like to come look at it, you could do that. You can call us and you can set up an appointment, but we'd love to see you. As always, please click the like button for this video and then click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.